What's going on, guys? Got a no cooling call for 901, and 902 just moved out yesterday, and I come out here to look at the condensers because everything inside's working. I don't hear any refrigerant moving through the lines inside 901. So I come out here, the unit that's marked 902, that whip is coming up to 901's box, and 902's whip comes down, goes over to that unit over there. So the whips are switched. Common problem out here. So normally when we do a turn, I will check that, but didn't get to this one right away, and it's backwards. So we're just going to switch the whip from here to here. So 901, 902, swap the whips, and we should be good to go. Here's just a quick look at the breaker panel in 902. So when they moved out, it looks like they shut off all the major appliances, and of course with the AC being off, shut their AC off upstairs. So we'll get those flipped around and have these correct. Okay, I got the breaker off for 902 and 901, and now we're just going to take out the end wires on this whip in the ground, and the end wires on this one in the ground, and then take off the locking nut there, drop the whip out, put it in this one, take this one, put it up here, and they'll be for the right units. Okay, I got the whip switched, got 901s all hooked up. Now I'm just finishing up 902s. I want to make sure these are really tight. Just sliding out. Okay, needed two hands to tighten up that red. It was sliding out. So we got those in. Now we'll put the covers back on. Alright, just gotta put the mounting brackets back on here to keep it close to the building, and go flip the breakers on, and we should be good to go. Alright, got everything buttoned up, got the breakers back on. Now we'll see if 901 comes on, which is the far unit over there. Good to go there. And 902, which is that unit right there. And that one fired. Alright. So we got the whips switched around. We're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.